see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up.
What up? It's your boy J Soul. It's giveaway night, and tonight we're going to name a winner of the Red Flint Jordan 13 giveaway. If you're new to the channel, join the Soul family by tapping that subscribe and hitting that notification bell. And if you enjoyed tonight's content, make sure you also tap that like button. Now you might know me from my only Instagram account, _JSOLE_. Again, that's _JSOLE_. Please be careful of fakes. If you see a fake, please report and block. Tonight we're going to do two things really quickly. For one, I'm going to tell you who won this giveaway. And number two, I'm going to tell you how exactly that person won this giveaway. So please take notes, and I'm wishing everybody who's watching good luck in the future giveaways. The winner is a person who executed all 4 steps of this giveaway. He or she bookmarked every single post and sent me a screenshot of each bookmark. This person also went above and beyond to make himself or herself known as he or she engaged with the pics, videos, reels, and other content posted by these hosts. This person made it painfully obvious that he or she wanted to win by competing with that Jordan mentality. So I'm happy to announce the winner is Deepak Gatori. Congratulations! Deepak makes our second straight international win. He will choose the Red Flint Jordan 13s or $300 cash. I'll keep you posted with what he decides. Now for everyone else, I'm sorry you didn't win. This feeling sucks, but it's not over. Some of you were on the cusp of winning this one and will likely win the very next giveaway. Details on that giveaway are coming soon, by the way. Keep it locked to my channel and IG page for the forthcoming details. Let's talk about how to win. Of course, following all the steps, but the key differentiator is how much people bookmark the post and support the host. Y'all know these shoes in many cases cost anywhere between $300 and $600. For some people, that's a life-changing prize. So this team is giving away the very best to the sneaker community for absolutely free. So if you're supporting this team, I'll notice it. I'll also notice if you're not. So put your best foot forward and position yourself to win one of these amazing prizes by following all 4 steps of the giveaway and supporting each host. And that's how it's done. If you have any questions, please make sure to write your question down below in the comment section. That's all I've got for you tonight. Thanks for joining us for another exciting giveaway, and I'm wishing you good luck the next time. Have a great night. Peace and love.